Hey loves, Mohania here, and today I'm doing a video just giving you some ideas of what my journaling pages look like in case you want to incorporate decorating into your journaling just to make it more fun. I promised I would do this video. I was on an Instagram live a couple of months ago. I did record the video, however, a lot of the footage got lost. I don't know what happened. It seems like every time I tried to do a planning video or a journaling stationary video, I met with such resistance. So I had to do a voiceover, so my hands may be moving and it just looks crazy, like what is she doing? But it's because I had to do a voiceover for this video. So I was going to fully decorate the pages, like start with a blank canvas. Well, that was the plan, or actually that's what I did, but I don't know where that footage is. So we're starting off with some boxes on the page, and then you'll see how I add more decorations to it. The planner that I'm using or as a journal is the Hobonichi Cousins. It is an A5 size Japanese style planner, and there are daily pages here, as you can see. So there are, let's see, in the front there's monthly, weekly, then daily, and in the back there's notes. So that's why you see the tabs there on the sides, because I just have those sections tabbed to find them easier. Now, if you journal a lot and you're going to fill up more than one page, I suggest the Stylogy planner. You can find that on Amazon, and I suggest that one because it is undated. All the stickers that you will see me use or you see in my journal are from Happy Planner sticker books, and all the washi tape is from Simply Gilded. So I'm going to go ahead and speed this part up because I'm just finishing up the page. But I just want to give you an idea of my journaling prompts that help keep me motivated to journal, want to journal, and allow me to truly enjoy my journaling experience. So as you saw in the beginning of the video, here are the finished pages. I realized that I didn't really speak in details about what I was doing or why I was doing it. At least I don't feel like it was clear enough. If you feel like it wasn't clear enough and you would like me to do a more detailed video, please let me know in the comment section below. Also, I don't want you to feel like you have to do what I did, because it's your journal. you do what you want. This is just an example, just some ideas to help you enjoy your journaling experience. I also just want to dust off my sticker books, literally, and use up those stickers that I was hoarding because they were just sitting on my shelf, not being used. I felt like they were just so pretty to use, I didn't want to use them. What better way to always have them and be able to look at them than putting them in my journal and being able to flip through the pages? And I want my journal to be super chunky. So we will see how that goes. I may just start journaling earlier in the day because I notice when I wait, I end up not journaling because by the end of the day, I'm just like, okay, I'm ready to go to bed. So, yeah, we will see how that goes. I've been working on some more videos, but I did a haul, but the first 30 minutes of the video, which I was going to cut it down, of course, but the file corrupted. So I'm going to try it again for y'all. I may just hook it up and be able to do it on live, but I'm going to try it again for y'all. So, like I said, any questions, leave them in the comment section below. I missed you all so much. I love you all so very much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.